Easy two by number 9, Bustos. Leonardo. Number 27, Del Rosario. Number 75, 15 on the shot clock. He scored 8-7, favor of Ali Garage. 10 to shoot. Del Rosario. Again, rebound. Top Wendell. Number 18. And there's a whistle pushing foul. Jersey number 57.
Hindi ko makita yung oras.
First personal foul by number 57. Inbound. Back to mga labnan. Head to shoot. Top Wendell. Pasa lang pala. Bustos to number 1. Ali. Natapek. Still the Cap Wendell. Nice pass. Number 27. Leonardo. Big jump. Good for 2 by number 27. Number 1. Ali. Number 7, no good. The rebound, number 7, the Judicial. There is a traveling violation. Survive. Survive. Ayan siyang. Takin, idol, takin. Number 420, takin. Socorrage. Mind game. Number 17 to Leonardo. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. And there's a whistle foul. There's a number 57. Second personal foul. Personal again. Last throw. Napindot. Pasok. Alabado to Quezon. Alabado. 15 to shoot. Foul jersey number 29, hacking foul. Socorrage. Alabado number 17, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Masyadong mataas ang pasa. Manger. Pull up jumper, no good. Number 16, masyadong malalim. Bustos to Quezon. 3 points. And there's a whistle foul jersey number 9. First personal foul by number 9, Bustos. First personal again, last one given to number 17. Pasok. He's on, number 24. He scored 13-11. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Steal by Leonardo. To number 16. Tied up. To number 24. Good for two. He's on. All 13. 3 minutes to play. 15 on the shot clock. He's on. Number 7.
Traveling.
No good. Even number 16. Leonardo, number 27. Leonardo. Good for two. Bustos, number 9. Jacket, but there's a foul. Jersey number 29. Second personal foul. First service good. Look at rebounded. It's on the 1. Bustos. Rejected. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 17. First personal foul, warning for penalty. First throw no good. We got number 7. Steal. Number 7. Full of cover, number 17. Good for 2. Steal, Leonardo. Good for 2 by Leonardo. Alabado, 3 points. Mainge, number 17 nagkamadali. Mainge. No good, rebound Bustos. To Alabado. Number 17, Alabado. 3 points. Back to back tray by Alabado. Number 24. 15 on the shot clock, Rio. Number 24, 10 to shoot. Tada to number 29. Panalo, good for 2. Sige. 21-20, 50 seconds to play. Quezon to Alabado, 15 to shoot. Number 17, Alabado. Fighting for Steven. He's still in Mainge, number 17. Nagmamadali. Mainge. Good for 2. Bustos. Sogorake, number 4, 20. No good. Rebound number 16, 25 seconds. Rio. Number 94. Bounce pass, number 17. Using the glass, no good. Rebound Leonardo. Back to Mainge. Wala pa rin. Bustos. 10 seconds. Bustos. No good. Alabado, and there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 16.
Tap siya yung sayo.
2 shot given to number 17, first throw. First throw is good.
Walang oras? Ito. Ay, hindi yung record pala yan.
Pasok, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Waiting for the buzzer. End of the first quarter. first, score 23-22, favor of second.
Yan, sakto kayo din mamaya, oh. Diray habang pagpasok.
Mangulab na. Capuendel. Tumainge. Dogen, rebound Sevilla. Alabado. Number 17, Alabado. Dogen, rebound number 44, basket count. Foul jersey number 75. First personal foul by Del Rosario.
Third quarter, yellow balance.
First. Pasok. Mangulab na. Mainge, number 17. Nogel, rebound Sevilla. Alabado, number 17. Now releasing Colorado. Offensive foul. Jersey number 56. Mangulab na, baka pwede. Baka mangulab na, nagtinan na shot clock. Mangulab na number 17. Caliber's teammate, Mainge. Okay, rebound Junicio. To Alabado. Number 17, Alabado. Junicio, number 44. Rivera, no good. Bottom of the rebound, Junicio. Good for two. Capuende. Score 27-23 in favor of Adi Garage. Mangulab na, number 36. Back mo Capuende. Number 24, Tizon.
Ay, traveling!
Carrying the ball.
Maayos na po minus si Jenna. Maayos na.
Number 17, Mainge. Traveling. Tizon. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Alabado. Nugget. Nugget. Del Rosario. Number 75. And there's the whistle, foul jersey number 35. First personal foul by Sevilla. First throw.
Jenna, lalabas na ayos.
Basket. Last throw. So good. Number 32, Del Rosario. Up and three. No good. Rebound Junicio. And there's the whistle, foul jersey number 17.
Yan, sinasikin mo na dito.
Alabado, number 17. No good.
Una!
Number 17, Baka Wendell.
Tatlo.
Walang nado.
Dash touch. Talaga si Rex. Napakalino.
Del Rosario. Shot clock down to 10. Mainke. No good. Leon Alabado. Nice pass. Good for two in hour 56. Daudera. More of that. 6 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Score 29-24. Capuendel, inside pass. Mainke. Fine for Steve. Mainke, back to Capuendel. No good. He's on rebound, number 24. Sevilla. Ayun, labas ang bola. Dalawang malagnan. Del Rosario. 15 na shot clock. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound Judicial. Alabado. Tokizo on number 24. Good for two.
Nice one!
Good for two. Bilang hooks.
Baba!
Still pick up Wendell. Short lang. Mainte. Good for two. Junicio. To Alabado. Good for two. Gajonera.
5 minutes. Okay.
Del Rosario. Mangulog na. 50 na shot off ng Rosario. Good for two. Substitution.
Dami ka na rin stay top. Mga convert.
Adi to Sevilla. No good. Ball for the rebound. Rio. Number 16. Good foul. No good. Leonardo. Number 27. Good for two. Adi number 1.
Huli! Nice, pre! Convert natin yan ng points, ha? Convert natin ng points!
Number 16. Number 24. If the shot on Leo. No good. Rebound. Leo number 24. No good. Rio again. Good for two. The number 1. So the 1, 10 to shoot. Number 4, JD. Sado Arage. No good. Response. Good for two. Rio. Tira na shot mo. Rio, number 24. Look at rebound Panalo. Second three. Bakalista, no good. Adi, number 1.
Gitna!
Bustos. To Sevilla, then to shoot. Adi. The head, Bustos. And there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 29.
Time out muna, time out.
Jaime. Second.
Dadalawang isip pa.
Number 29, third personal foul. Manalo, tatlo ka na. Next game, Doraid up against Warriors. Back to the ball game. First row, last row, game is over now. Pasok. Evangelista. 50 on the shot clock. Dio. Together. Leonardo. Dala. Evangelista. Together. Now 16. Basket. Foul jersey number 1. First personal foul number 1. Bunster. Good rebound, Bustos. Ali. 1 minute and 55 seconds to play. Number 1 to Sevilla. Taking three. Sevilla, 3 points. Rio, number 24. Nagkamadali, Rio. Nice pass. 2-for-2 by Danap. 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Score 39-38. Dikit na ang laban. Adi, number 1. 10 on the shot clock. Sevilla, up and three. No good. Foul jersey number 420. First personal foul, Sagoraga. Evangelista. Rio. 50 on the shot clock. Inside pass, Manalo. And there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 57. Jaime Algaraj. Number 57, third personal foul. Tatlo ka na, San Juan. Go get it, rebound. He's on. Adi. Steal. Rio. Good for 2. Untik na. 40 seconds. Sevilla. Nice pass. And 1. Too strong. Rebound. Evangelista. 30 seconds to play. Evangelista to Leonardo. Number 16, full of jumper. Number 2. Shot clock is up. 20 seconds to play. Score 43-29. Adi. Dusevilla, open play. Bang! 3 points. 10 seconds. 5. And in the first half, the score 43-42, favor of Sega. No good. Ang score natin na 43-42. And there's a whistle. Found with jersey number 17.
Hindi naman bawasan.
42. 42 lang, 42. Third personal foul, Mainke. First service good. Yan, all 43. SK Hans, magandang gabi. Pasok, change favor. Nine. Quezon. Number 24, to Alabado, kay Fiona Shotmo. Alabado, kay Godbas. Quezon, taking break. In and out, rebound Evangelista. Evangelista, to number 75, Del Rosario. Black ball. Score 43-44, favor of Aligaraj. Judicial, number 44. Judicial, pass to Bustos. There's a traveling violation. Par. Mainke, number 217, Hans Bay Quezon. Mainke. 15 on the shot clock. Mainke, kumangulab na. Back number 17, 10 to shoot. Evangelista. Steal with Bustos. Alabado on the attack, number 17. Alabado, zigzagging move, good for two. Evangelista, off the break, no good, ball for the rebound. Junicio, number 44. Junicio, aras pa yung makulapnan. Pull up jumper, no good, ball for the rebound. Junicio rejected, and last touch. Red ball. Evangelista.
Kapuyat.
Tumainke, number 17. Panicor Steve, to Leonardo. Tumangulab na number 36. 10 on the shot clock. Del Rosario, 5 to shoot. And there's a traveling violation. Same Footland. Quezon, 15 on the shot clock. Number 24, Quezon. Pull up jumper, Quezon. In and out, rebound, Evangelista. Evangelista on the attack, Hans Bay Quezon. Same ball. Taking three. Evangelista, 3 points. Junicio, now 44. 15 on the shot clock. Alabado. No good. Rebound, Junicio again. Good for two. Maulagdan on the attack. Pass to Del Rosario. Number 75. Del Rosario. No good. Rebound, Bustos, number 9. To Alabado, number 17. Alabado. Lays it up. No good. Follow for the rebound. Red ball. Leonardo. Pass mo Lagdan. Mainga. Number 17. Haras by Alabado. 50 on the shot clock. 48-46. Mainga taking three. Bam! 3 points. He's on. To Alabado. 50 on the shot clock. Number 17. Change favor na tayo. Alabado. Is still line number 6. Mangulagdan. 2-on-1. Mangulagdan. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 17. Alabado. First personal foul. 2 shots given to number 36. Mangulagdan. First throw. First to is good. Last throw given to number 36. Mangulagdan. Substitution. 75 out to Rosario and number 16 Dadap coming in. Next game, Warriors up against the Ride. Ang bola ng Pinoy. Alabado. Number 17, haras by Mangulagdan. 50 on the shot clock. Is it done? Steal by Leonardo. Traveling. Substitution. Down and out, and Sevilla check back in. Sevilla took Quezon, number 24. 10 on the shot clock. Quezon to Junicio. To Sevilla, 5 to shoot. Alabado, no good. Back up over down. Leonardo, pass to the Inter. Dadap. Quezon up and play. 3 points.
Kapak. Kapak eh.
Long 2.
Long
Sige.
2 lang, long 2.
Dos lang daw. Nakatabak daw. Quezon. Tigot ka. Sevilla. Taking three. Logan. Para for the rebound. Junicio. Nice pass. Bustos pick. Drop. Good for two. Evangelista. 50 on the shot clock. Evangelista. No good. Substitution. Palit-palit, lumang damit. Alabado. Number 17. 50 on the shot clock, 4 minutes to play on the third quarter. Alabado. Alabado drives. Rejected. Sevilla. No good. Even number 7. Rio. Taking three, number 24. No good. Rebound, Junicio, number 44. Junicio. To Alabado, number 17. Alabado. Good for 2. Dio, number 24. 15 on the shot clock. Dio. Nice pass. Back up. No good. Rebound. Junicio. Number 44. To Alabado, number 17. Back to Junicio. Cookies on number 24. Using the glass. Good for 2. Inbound number 16 to number 17, Mainde. Aras na Junicio, Mainde. No good. Junicio number 44. Cookies on. Alabado. Good for 2.
Time out.
Timeout. Seka. Score 58-54. This time out is brought to you by Baliwag City Bowlers. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 47 and third quarter. Rio. Number 24. 15 to shoot. Rio. The first one again. Rebound Kizona. Adi. Number 1. Alabado. Number 7. Sub.
Convert tayo pusto, nasa tira. Convert. Lumang sila, kaya nakakuha tayo.
Rio. Dadap. Traveling. Sub. Bustos out. Cajonera. Adi number 1. 15 on the shot clock. Illegal kick. Number 57. Warning for foul out for personal ban. Pio. So again, rebound Sevilla. To Quizon. Adi number 1. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Adi. To Sevilla. Open three. Bang! 3 points. Score 61-54. Rio. Number 24, Rio. To number 18, Cap Wendell. No good. And there's a foul. Number 16, pushing foul. Substitution. One minute and 5 seconds to play. Ten to shoot. So Dorage. And there's a whistle. Foul. There's number 16.
Basta,
Kasab. Dalawa. Evangelista. Bounce pass. Uy! Di lang nakita. Out of bounds. Black ball. Dadap. Tatlo ka na. 35 seconds to play. He scores 61-54. Alabado. 15 on the shot clock. 30 seconds to play. Open three. No good. Rebound. Alabado. Number 17. No good. Rebound Dadap. Number 15. Finding for his teammate Del Rosario. 15 seconds to play. Nice pass. Evangelista. Good for two. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds to play. Alabado. Good for two. End of the third quarter score 63-56. Zaman ang ating garage. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. (63-56). Mangulabnan. To Evangelista. Maingke. To Del Rosario. Good for Del Rosario. Alabado to Quezon, his score 58-63. Quezon, 50 on the shot clock. Number 420, good for two now. Sogarale. Evangelista. Maingke. Back to Evangelista. Pulab na. Evangelista again. 3 points. Lamang ng 4 ang ating garage. Alabado. To Junicio, number 44. Back to Alabado. 10 to shoot. Together. Bustos. Basket. Foul, jersey number 15. First personal foul, Evangelista. Bonster, give it to number 9. No good. Junicio. Solorage. Travelin. Evangelista. No good. Rebound Maingke. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound Alabado. Alabado. Good for two. Del Rosario. Leonardo. Good for two, Leonardo.
Down. Uli.
Quezon. Alabado. 15 to shoot. Bounce pass. Extra pass. Good for two, guys. Sobrang. Number 75. Nulap na ang Maingke. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound, Bustos to Alabado. Number 17. 2-on-2 break. Alabado to Dionisio. Good for two. Timeout. Seca, his score 73-63. Isang timeout na lang kayo, Seca. Tatlo pa sa Adi.
Patay tayo dyan. Patay tayo dyan.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Pwesto!
No good.
Tama na!
Quezon. Time to shoot, Alabado. No good. Rebound, Bustos. Good for two. For two. Fifteen.
Karen, Karen! Kunin ka top!
420. Oh, good. Quezon. Nice pass. Good for two. Dada, number 16, Evangelista. Steal, Quezon, number 17. Alabado to number 24. No good. Alabado, number 17. Sogorabe, good for two. Evangelista. Leonardo, good for two, by number 87. Number 44. Dionisio. He's on. 50 na shot na. 10 to shoot. No good. He's on again. Number 420. 3 seconds. Maike. No good. And 420 to Dionisio. Alabado. 4 minutes and 45 seconds to play.
Standby muna, standby. Laban mo.
Standby now. 10 to shoot. Dionisio Ocandre. No good. Rebound Mainke, number 17. 4 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Mainke taking 3 points. Maganda ang ating next game. Doray Dang against Warrior. Alabado. Nioyu pa, no good.
Back down!
Bustos. Number 17, 5 to shoot.
Huli!
Steal. Manalo. To Evangelista. No good. Evangelista. No good. Rebound Dionisio. Bustos, number 9. Nice pass. Same ball, substitution. Sige, tawag. Timeout. Adi Garage score 79-70. This time of is brought to you by Lapok Custom.
Bago na tayo. Baka matatapos.
Hunera, good for serve. 3 minutes and 40 seconds of play. Number 87, Leonardo. Good for 2. He's on. The Hunera. To Quezon. 15 to shoot. Junicio. To the Hunera. No good. Rebound, Junicio. Good for 2 by Junicio. Rio. Number 24, Rio. Dada. Tumalog na. Back to Rio. Take it, Gray. No good. Rebound ng Rosario. To Rio. Tumalog na. Back to Rio. Tumalog na. Mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound Bustos number 9. Rodera to Bustos. 15 to shoot. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play. He's on it. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Alabado. No good. Alabado. Good for 2. Steal. Junicio. And that's 2 minutes. And there's the whistle. Foul jersey number 16. Number 16. Warning. Timeout. Seka. Wala na kayong timeout, Seka. Exactly 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Bollywood. First throw again, last throw, given to number 56. Pasok. Rio, number 24. Maike. Gandang pihit. Wala na. Leonera. Junicio, number 44. Alabado. 15 shot clock. Alabado. No good. Red ball. Rio. Number 24. No good. Goes to number 9. He's on. Foul jersey number 27, 13 foul. Number 17, Alabado. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul on the Bangalista. Warning for penalty. Second. Foul jersey number 17. Penalty. Winding for brownout number 17. Fourth personal foul. First is good. Pasok. Evangelista, number 17, Mainke. No good. Ivan Bustos. Steal, Leonardo. Nice pass. 2 for 2. Dionisio, 45 seconds to play. Alabado. Alabado. Foul. Number 50, Evangelista. 2 shots. Nasser. Pasok. Rio. 35 seconds to play. No good. 90. Short. 25 seconds to play. That's the other day. Aligaraj wins the game. Pasok sa semifinals.
Ilan na lang?
40% pa. Paano ba? Stop ba ito?